Hey guys, what's going on? Today I have some leaks from Intel side to share with you guys, and these leaks are none other than Intel's new ASRock chip. And these leaks include Intel Core Ultra 9 285K, Ultra 7 to 65K, and Core Ultra 5 to 45K. According to the leaks, it's suggested that the new Intel Core Ultra 9 285K CPU was benchmarked and tested for performance, but with the twist as the temperature was not looking good. And according to the leak, it's showing 101 degrees Celsius. That's only 4 degrees Celsius less than its maximum operating temperature limit of 105 degrees Celsius. The CPU did reach its max P-core and E-core boost clock of 5.5 and 4.6 gigahertz respectively, but at this temperature it's hard to sustain these performance for long. And the chip was utilizing 125 watt and 1.359 volts. As we can see from the result that the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K achieves an impressive 18,964 points in multi-threaded performance and outperform all the previous flagship mainstream Intel Core i9 processors. However, that's not the case for single core. That scores 909 points, which is behind many Core i9s from 13 and 14 gen, whereas the AMD 9950X scores for 885 single core and multi-core scores 16,892. Now guys, to be honest, if you ask me, I don't believe these benchmarks anymore, because every time there is new chip, either it's from AMD or Intel, these benchmark shows us how much of the new chip is superior to one another. But once it's in the consumer hands, the whole story is different than what the leaks and rumors or the benchmarks just shown, as clear as the day that it is not the case. You want some proof? Here, let me show you some results comparing this one with the official one, and by official I mean the CPUZ validator site. Now you tell me guys, how much of a difference does these number make, especially in multi-threaded? Because AMD 9950X single core scores 885 in that test, and in here it scores 887, and also multi-core scores there 16,892, but here as you can see it scores 17,056. And by the way guys, do you really believe that a chip that is divided into P-core and E-core and up to 125 watt is competing against the chip that has the raw core, no P and E cores at all, hyper-threading enabled, and is rated for 170 watt, is going to lose against Intel Core Ultra 9 285K? Well, I don't think so, and I don't even believe so that it is the case at all. Here guys, let me show you another example. AMD scored 598.7 in Blender version 4.2, and 285K scored 557.46. You still believe that Intel can beat AMD in workload by believing these puny looking benchmarks? And by the way, this was shared by 9550 Pro on Twitter. To be honest guys, Intel is desperate that their new chips may sell like X3D variant of AMD chips, but it will not happen, not according to the price wise or performance per dollar wise. It is just not possible, and Intel is trying their best to create a hype around their new chips.